Namaste. In yoga, we have a breathing technique called Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi means victorious. There are other names for this pranayama. It's called oceanic breath, just like an ocean when it makes sounds, or the whispering breath when heavy breeze flows through the trees, how the trees whisper the song of the nature, and the hissing breath of a snake, serpent hissing, all just like a serpent rising through your kundalini. So Ujjayi takes you to a next level of your practice. People who are very tense, who have anxiety problems, who have depression, and people who have high BP, it's an excellent practice to practice Ujjayi. There are two types of Ujjayi. The one is a silent Ujjayi, the other Ujjayi is with a little bit sound. That is practiced for people with thyroid problems, parathyroid problems, tonsillitis, and people with goiter and sleep apnea, snoring also. But this Ujjayi is a silent Ujjayi. So how shall we do it? See, here we breathe through the nose, but the stress is here. The more emphasis on the throat. We breathe through our throat chakra, because we got, when we were born, the first chakra that was activated or active was through the throat. We sucked milk through our throat, with the strength of the throat, our emphasis on the throat, by the activation of the Vishuddhi chakra. So mother's milk we sucked. So we sucked air, everything by the throat. Now the same thing we shall do it. All our practice will be yoga practice. Who are in advanced practice of yoga, let them practice with the Ujjayi, emphasis on the Ujjayi. And you can do this. This is the only breathing technique of pranayama you can do any time of the day, regardless of whether you have eaten or not eaten, walking, sitting, sleeping, lying down, anytime, anywhere you can do. Other pranayamas which are unnatural, all pranayamas are unnatural. You have to do it at certain times. But here, this is the natural breathing, the deep inhalation you practice, the same yogic breath, full 3 stage, you breathe, but the more emphasis is here. You breathe through the nose, but the emphasis is here. You constricting the epiglottis. Constrict the epiglottis. Now, for a beginner, how to practice? Suck air through the mouth. We have to do it through the nose, but for the practice, we'll do it through the mouth. Suck air through the mouth. And exhale through the mouth. Let the sound come from the pit of the throat. And you feel a cooling sensation, a hissing sound. Now, when you get used to it, then you close your mouth, then practice with the nose. So, okay. So, if you want to take it to another level, always the next level. You have to strive for always the next level. If you want to strive, you have to fold your tongue upwards. Fold your tongue up, touching the roof of the mouth. And if possible, try to even swallow the tongue. It's called Kechari Mudra. Yogis used to cut the base of the tongue with a small reed over a period of time, not immediately. Then they used to suck the tongue. They win over the cravings of food and hunger. So it's a excellent practice, but if you want to do it, you can try it, the Ujjayi breath with the folded tongue. Okay, then practice and find your true self. Namaste.